Hello people of the internet, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share one hot beverage with you guys, and I'm talking about hot chocolate with ashwagandha, and this is from the brand AURIC. And honestly, I have fallen in love with this hot chocolate drink. Now I know जब आपके घर पे गेस्ट आते हैं तो आप कॉकटेल्स, मॉकटेल्स, काफ़ी सारे ड्रिंक्स प्लान करते हैं, but then there are people who like to drink coffee or maybe hot soup. मैं रहती हूँ देहरादून में और यहाँ पे it is freezing cold and there are people who want to have a hot drink. So I thought that this can be an amazing alternative, and मुझे तो ये इतना ज़्यादा पसंद आया and I'm 100% sure कि मेरे friends को भी ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. I'm so addicted to this right now कि मैं दिन में 2-3 बार पी लेती हूँ with hot milk, और इसी बहाने I've started drinking milk, which is also a very good thing because milk is protein and it gives you good hair, good skin. Now yeah, coming back to this product, this is sugar free, so you can add sugar separately or you can add jaggery, that is good, या फिर आप sugar free tablets भी add कर सकते हैं if you have diabetes. Now this one says it increases energy, builds strength, improves vitality, और अश्वगंधा के जो benefits है वो मैं आपको बताऊंगी. And this one is 100% natural, no artificial flavors, and it also has benefits of ashwagandha. Now you can also drink it in a cold beverage way. You can add cold milk, ice and hot chocolate powder, and yeah, in a shaker just shake it and drink it. But because it is winters right now, so I am enjoying this drink as hot beverage, and I will continue to take this drink every day. Chocolate also has its own benefits. You can also use this hot chocolate powder for cake or any other thing. So I totally love this product, and let's go ahead and I'll show you how I make this drink, and then I'm going to sit with you guys with my hot chocolate and tell you about this product. By the way guys, you can also take their Club 500 lifetime membership, which is an amazing deal. You get a personalized coupon which you can use on unlimited purchase, and yeah, not only that offer, they have super value pack, lifetime membership gold, platinum. So do check out these offers on their website, that is theauric.com. So this hot chocolate with ashwagandha is not only delicious, but it also builds strength, reduces stress and anxiety. It controls your blood sugar level, and also it improves memory. And this can be taken by kids as well, men and women. All age groups can drink this, and I totally love the taste of this drink. And now I'm going to enjoy my hot chocolate. Alright, so I'm back with my hot chocolate drink, and now I'm going to talk about ashwagandha and how hot milk or warm milk helps you to sleep better at night. Now what happens is that in milk there are two things, which is a tryptophan, which is an amino acid which actually helps your body to release serotonin. Now serotonin basically sends signals to your brain and it helps you to sleep. You must have seen that small babies when they are drinking milk at night, whether it is breastfeed or bottle feed, they go off to sleep. So that's what warm milk does to your body and brain. Same way, ashwagandha also helps you to get better sleep. Ashwagandha also gives your body immunity. It is a boost of energy, sense of relaxation. It boosts your mood. So there are multiple benefits of ashwagandha. I have done a detailed video on ashwagandha earlier, so I will link that video below if you want to see that video. But now this one already has ashwagandha in this, so I don't need to take it separately. And as far as the flavor is concerned, This is amazing. I just give this product 5 out of 5, and this is 250 grams, but I'm going to order 1 kg pack next time. So you can use winter 25 coupon code right now on their website and get 25% extra off. And yeah, go ahead, try this. It's a perfect drink for this winter, for New Year's, for your guests, for your children and everyone. And try it, yeah, and thank me later. So do check out the links in the description box below. I will give you the link in the comment section also. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and a very happy new year to all of you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.